Most people see danger when they look at Mayon Volcano. But hidden inside this landscape is the secret ingredient behind one of the Philippines' most iconic dishes. For centuries, eruptions have destroyed homes. Yet every eruption leaves behind something priceless. Something truly priceless. The soil here is forged by fire. Rich with minerals carried by centuries of volcanic ash. This fertile earth nourishes the plants, giving them their intense heat and flavor. And those minerals shape every chili grown here. Growing beneath Mayon's shadow, these peppers carry the story of the volcano in every bite. Every chili is carefully harvested by hand, ensuring only the ripest peppers make it into the basket. Thousands of peppers are picked every day, continuing a farming tradition passed down through generations. This tiny pepper doesn't look intimidating, but trust me, appearances can be incredibly deceiving. The heat arrives fast, spreading across your mouth and reminding you why these chilies are legendary. But chilies alone don't make Bicol Express. Our journey continues at the local market, where the remaining ingredients for Bicol Express come together. Living beside an active volcano isn't easy. Yet for generations, families across Bicol have built their lives beneath Mayon's watchful presence. People here don't see Mayon as an enemy. They see it as a force that must be respected. Many families have experienced evacuations, ashfall, and uncertainty during periods of volcanic activity. Yet time and again, they return, because this land continues to provide for them. The same volcano capable of destruction also creates some of the most fertile farmland in the Philippines. For many farmers, chilies aren't just crops. They're a livelihood, supporting entire families. Before dawn, thousands of kilos of chilies begin their journey toward local markets and kitchens. Every harvest creates opportunities for traders and vendors, and also all transport workers and small businesses throughout the region. These peppers have become more than an ingredient. They've become a symbol of Bicolano identity. Rich pork provides the hearty foundation, balances the bold heat of the volcanic chilies. Fresh coconut milk, sweetness and creaminess, creating the signature character of the dish. Shrimp paste adds deep, savory flavor, giving Bicol Express its unmistakable Filipino identity. But where exactly did Bicol Express come from? One popular story traces the dish to Filipino cooks who brought Bicolano flavors to Manila decades ago. Some believe the dish earned its name from the famous train route once known as the Bicol Express. Whether legend or fact, one thing is certain. The dish became an icon by capturing the bold spirit of the Bicol region. As the pork begins to sizzle, the first layer of flavor starts building inside the pan. Garlic and onions release their aroma, transforming simple ingredients into something far more exciting. The moment shrimp paste enters the pan, the flavor becomes deeper, richer, and unmistakably Filipino. Now the volcanic chilies enter the dish, bringing the fire that Bicol Express is known for. Now we add the fresh coconut milk. Coconut milk pours in, softening the spice and transforming the dish into creamy perfection. The moment Bicol Express earns its name. This is the magic of Bicol Express, sweetness and heat working together in perfect balance. As everything simmers, the flavors slowly combine into one unforgettable Filipino classic. Surprisingly, spicy food doesn't actually burn you. It simply tricks your brain into feeling heat. Coconut milk helps calm that sensation, coating your tongue and softening the chili's intensity, creating one of Southeast Asia's most perfect flavor balances. What began as volcanic ash has become a dish rich with his history, culture, and flavor. To unforgettable flavor. Here in Bicol, even a volcano can become part of dinner. Behind every bowl of Bicol Express are the farmers who work beneath Mayon's shadow, turning volcanic soil into something extraordinary. For generations, families have passed down this recipe, preserving not only a dish, but a piece of Bicol's identity. Life here has always existed alongside the volcano. People respect its power, yet continue to thrive because of what it gives back. In every spoonful, you can taste the land, the people, and the story that began deep beneath the earth. Every destination leaves behind a story. But our journey is far from over. Because thousands of kilometers from here, another dish is waiting to reveal its secrets. Hidden inside the streets of Japan is a dish so legendary that people wait hours just to taste it. But what makes it truly unforgettable? You'll have to join us next time to find out.